Guys, we came for breakfast. In the morning, we are just after gym. Murugan's favorite. So there's salad bar. And then there's omelette.
Omelette and then pancake.
So there's steak. Noodles. Ooh, this is what I ate yesterday. Then there's dessert. And there's century egg. Nice. I think this one is the porridge. Oh, minced meat soup. Wonder how is that is. Oh, bacon. Fuck yeah. Bacon. Then potatoes. Noodles. Rice. Oh, rib curry. And rice. Let's go. Coffee. Milk cereal. I love this. Ice. Cheese. Sweet potato corn. This is. Oh, what is that? I will get it. Is it the shrimp? And cow. Okay, let's go. This is breakfast first round for me. Let's see I'm taking second round or not. Fingers crossed. I hope I take lah. Okay, we just after workout. Mulu is there. By the way, there. So we just came straight from the gym. I didn't manage to record that. But just now I looked drenched. And then freshen up a bit. And eating now. Let's eat.
Chỉ với 199.000 ngày hôm nay các bác nhà mình sẽ có ngay cho em một chiếc máy xay hàng phối inox sáng loáng như thế này, và tất cả là hàng dao xay 4 lưỡi mọi người nhá. Xay được tất cả các loại thịt tôm cua.
We are going to the coconut boat now. Thank you.
Coconut?
Yeah.
Where you from? Malaysia.
Well, we got actually did we get scammed? Bro?
We put in the right place. Right. They see the few name of the place.
Đi không? Sang có mà không?
Ê,
Không hả?
mời ông nhưng mà cho tôi biết này.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, hello.
I booked. Look.
Đây đây. Anh nay chạy bỏ đi đây rồi.
Dăm rồi. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay, slowly. Yeah.
What do I need?
Wow, beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
What a city!
Orange city.
Hey guys, we are on the coconut boat. Hi. I don't want to ruin my hair. So beautiful here. Okay, thank you. Nice. It's actually very quiet this time.
Where from?
Malaysia.
Oh, Malaysia.
Yeah.
Same?
Same.
Yeah.
Same.
Malaysia boleh.
Malaysia.
Malaysia jaya. Malaysia boleh.
It's actually very hot, but then thank God there's no much boat lah. We can enjoy. And shops over there. I think, is it to have lunch? I'm not sure, but people are coming down though. Make sure if you guys are coming, load up on some sunscreen because whoa. What are we?
Chayo.
Oh my God, she's crazy. It's okay. DJ Coconut Boat. So we came to the Asian town again, and we are finding for this dish, a very famous dish called white rose. Later I'll show you. So we saw this restaurant that is very good in it. Let's go and see. Okay, thank you. Oh my God, it's so hot. But I think that's the shop name. So white rose is, hold on, let me show y'all what's white rose. This white rose. Chicken rice, Hoi An chicken rice. Let's try. So here it is. This is white rose. Not sure what it is, but we will eat it and we'll let you guys know how is it. And then I ordered another chicken rice, coconut and lemon with this weather. Perfect. Okay guys, I don't know whether I showed this place yesterday or not, La Casa Villa. So this place was booked last minute by us because we were readjusting our days and stay. So we didn't know we were going to stay in Oyan for 2 days. But then when we decided to stay in Oyan for 2 days, it was too late to book the yesterday room. So hence we stayed there 1 day and we booked here second. I just paid and this is how it looks like. It looks like a villa. So the problem is now, so the thing is now, I have a bunch of laundry to do. So thank God there's a laundry service here. Can you see? I'm gonna go give my laundry back there. என்னதா
ராத்திரி முடியும் ஆனா கொஞ்சம் விலை கூட
எவ்வளோ
நாளைக்கு தான் விலை குறைவா
எவ்வளோ
Together.
ரேட் பொறுத்து இருக்கு என்ன ஆனா ரொம்ப 1 கிலோ மாதிரியா இருக்கு
இப்போ 1 kilo how much
30,000 now.
13,000 see
Together.
yeah but see first how much
2.5
how much all
Me 75.
75
70.
checked in into the new room. Basic view kami. Don't tell me the view. Actually படத்துல வேற மணி இருக்கு இங்க வேற மணி இருக்கு பாரு. This is the view outside. Get it. Oh, that is the laundry lady's house. Okay. Okay, apa nak kata? Okay, today is all about go. So we just hi. Sorry we are late.
Then I'm booking going around.
Yeah, me.
Can you come inside please?
Yeah, okay. Sorry. Sorry for late. No problem. Hi. Oh, so nice. Thank you. Oh, look at this. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god, airy belly. What the hell is this?
Mine terbalik, I think we have to switch.
No, it's okay. I like it. What the hell is this? I think mine is the most ugliest. Broke. Ang patang. This is la. Nani kira itu the traditional coffee dan.
Opening and the coffee blooms. You get the lid like this, put on the stem.
This?
Yes, that's one.
I would guess. No. They make the coffee all
Around inside.
because I would brew the black coffee like in a filter and that's water. Right, and it drips. So it's interesting to do differently. Right? I have like I pour hot water, walk into
Oh my god, look at this.
Enjoy your coffee.
What coffee is that? Black coffee. How about like specific?
It's so good.
Hey!
Yes.
Meats.
அது even Starbucks color.
Alright.
Can I get this?
Cheers. That is incredible.
You mix a lot of things in the coffee, isn't it? Like cocoa and everything. Do you sell this?
That's the best black coffee.
And French, they build many farms in the Central Highlands. Because from the Central Highlands, very good the soil, salty soil, and good weather. The coffee tree grow up very fast. Vietnamese people, we very love the coffee nice.
You're amazing today. How will you make for your boyfriend?
They make for my friends. Thank you. I don't deserve it.
Hey, boyfriend, supposed to be.
How do you say hello? Xin chào.
También se fue el queta por la pipita un pinche americano y la fila.
You always stick with Kaplan. That sounds so good.
I'll show you later. You finish this one?
Yeah.
மீனிங் அந்த வெள்ளைக்கார உள்ளுக்கு போட்டுருக்கோம்.
Yes, I love the food. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
You get sugar, honey, rice wine, vanilla.
Right?
1, 2, 3,
Wow,
4.
you're amazing. You better than your boyfriend.
Yes, you too.
That's my friend.
No, your friend. Yes. Oh, you have to wait.
Is it okay? Is it okay? This one?
Very okay.
They're much more comfortable.
Okay.
15, huh?
20. 20.
Oh.
Now you put a circle in there.
circle.
Yeah, and you make it smooth.
Colima el coco.
Oh, something better than.
Es legal de casar No, like exacto. Bien,
All the way up.
Yes.
Wow, mezclada.
Sorry.
It is mesmerizing.
Yeah, no, I can't stop staring at it. Oh, shower because there. It's hard to
You put a water inside.
How much?
Half. Put half inside.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Now you love.
How much?
This, you puncture all the way down, you get for everything now. Milk, coffee, and egg. Now you eat it like a baby. Let's go.
2 minutes.
Must be staring at this the entire time.
There's this.
What you could do the shovel?
Do you have no shower?
Play a game until you.
No shower? I think he wants the shower, the gold one.
Are we playing?
Yeah.
Is this really a good idea?
How did you know?
You know,
How are you playing?
அது சுத்தி அப்படி எடுத்து எல்லாத்தோடய சாப்பிடணும்.
we can give you also one.
சரி babette நினைச்சிருக்கேன்.
You're too close. You can't, I don't have time to move.
No, I'm joking. Just about 20 minutes.
Get it. Too much shaking.
You know this one?
I just bought this coffee and they give this filter thing for free.
1, 2, 3. Hey.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. I'm fast as fuck. Sorry. Okay, our laundry is here. Let's go. To see around last few hours in Hoi An. Very annoying. Anyways, look how beautiful it is. Actually, the hotel that we're staying here for the second day is closer to the ancient town. It's just, you see, when we get out from the hotel, you can see that happening place over there. So that's the night market.
Yesterday?
Huh?
Why is it not?
I think it will be crowded if you go nearby. So yeah, if you guys are coming to Hoi An, right, please find the hotel around here. Please find hotel around the
please
ancient.
5 stars.
Yeah,
It's very cheap.
ancient town. Remember that ancient town. Don't, I mean, they will say lah, oh, okay, the other side of the river is also happening. It is if you like very calmer place. But if you're a tourist and you want to do things very fast, then this is the place. Because every time you have to grab here. Or unless you have a cycle. Yesterday we were cycling the entire time.
I mean, we had fun, but it's tiring.
Yeah. Left and right. Okay. Okay guys, I want to go shopping. Later I'll update you what's up. Guys, we are going to this boat thing. We're gonna leave London. It's gonna rain. I hope we are lucky enough to finish the ride. I think it's 20 minutes. It's so beautiful. Oh my god.
Không cần hả?
So beautiful. Okay guys, I'm doing this.
You mean on flash?
Is it hot? Is it very dark? Okay, let's go. It's time.
Make a
I love you,
wish.
sayang. Back home. This is for you, sayang. This is for us. I miss you. I miss you, my love. Now Wolf's turn. Let's go. This auntie is like salty from just now.
You vlog this auntie is so salty. She just keep cursing us.
Yeah, for some reason, I think she's talking to herself. When we get into the box, we thought she was cute. Until she opened her mouth and she's not stopping. Can you see the thunder? That's why we got it very fast. You want your normal... Guys, I have to do 2-3 things. I have to take video for him as well. It's raining. It's okay. Faster.
Nhanh đi.
Yusra.
Đợi nó mưa xuống kìa nữa.
Oh, mala pida wa solra.
Okay. Faster. 1, 2, 3.
Ôi, đâu hoang. Ôi, mưa nè.
Ah, okay. திருப்பி அவன் போட்டு கொடுத்தான்.
Okay, chill. Okay, 1 to go. Oh. Yeah, I swear to God, this auntie is spoiling the vibe. Oh, okay. Yeah. By the way, that is Muru's candle. Whatever you wish for, I hope it happens. Okay, guys, it's gonna rain. I'm gonna show you guys how it's raining. This is the wind right now. I know you guys can't see much, but
பயந்து பேசுறதா இருக்கு அவகிட்ட.
it's drizzling, but we are chilling. Actually, we are in 2 different boats today. We are in the coconut boat and we are in this boat. Look at the view. It is gonna rain soon. It's raining. தண்ணி எடு. Guys, this auntie really don't give a shit about her, isn't it? Every boat has like this thing where they protect the people from basically rain. But she just don't give a fuck. Look at this. Like, thank you. Okay, look. They are so well protected. Okay, auntie, thank you so much. Bro, say thank you to Auntie Tanbian and say thank you, auntie. Okay. I know I look like shit, but the boat that has no people in it has protection, okay? All the boat has protection. I'll show you guys everything. Like, look, everything has protection, but this auntie was like, fuck you too. You guys are getting this experience. So, look, we are in the famous bridge. Sister, you guys are so lucky, man. Oh, she's gonna stop here, isn't what she's saying? Guys, we are actually wet. You can see we are still under the tree, but it's still people are all inside. We fought with the ticket people. We like literally screaming there. Muru was like, "Fuck you!" Then the guy was like, "Fuck you." He said, "What's the meaning of fuck you?" He said, "I don't know. You say fuck you, I say fuck you." But I was like, you guys are stupid, right? Then he was like, his logic is not, seriously, if you guys coming later, I'll go around and show that boot. Please don't buy there.
Show that guy's face also.
Yeah, okay, whatever.
I got his picture. He said it's okay to post it.
Okay, so I'll put his ID here. I don't know whether people, you know what? Yeah, I think can. Yeah, it was, we had a time lah for a while, but the boat auntie was so annoying. When I get into the boat, she was like,
She wasn't carrying, but
she wasn't carrying.
Caring for closing the life jacket, closing the
She was
light.
so into taking care of her stuff because she knows the rain is going to happen. I don't want to fuck my phone up. Let's go somewhere. She knows something is going to come up, which is the rain. She never prioritized for closing the boat for us, but she was closing everything else. Like, she was keeping the... If you see the video, he was helping the auntie to pack up the things. He was helping the auntie. I thought, okay, she's going to pack everything up and open the shelter. She didn't. We are totally drenched, you see. Our shoe, everything is drenched. Then she was like, I thought at least she's going to stop under the bridge. She didn't. So she came all the way here. But the lantern ladies help us. We came out. She was like, go and ask the ticket people. Go and ask the ticket people. A bunch of ladies. Then
They know it was really wrong.
Yeah. And then we went and asked him. He was like, no, it's not my problem. I just sell the ticket. You must ask the boat people. I was like, the lady was about 80 years old, 70 years old, you know. How to ask her?
And she don't even understand anything. And he can respond. He understands English quite well.
Yeah.
He respond everything
Who?
quite detailed. The ticket
Yeah, of
person.
course. So it's really heavy. I know you guys can't see this, but I don't wanna. This phone. Wait, let me show you one last clip before I off. So this is the situation right now. It's really raining though. I wanna go back and not change, like fuck it. But then Muru say just wait.
It's just waste. You just walk back. You just
Yeah, but then we have to go somewhere, right? One of the place. Okay. I'm so worried for this shoe lah. Fuck lah. After much turbulence and fights and shouting and showing middle finger and calling each another names, we don't want to go back still because what's the point if we're already like this? So we came to one of these shop that basically have no people on top. We don't want to face anyone at the moment. So yeah, we were there, basically there fighting. So actually we are not like happy that we fought, you know, but we are not happy.
It's not happy. It's not we wanted also.
Yeah, it's their mistake. And the best part
We
is
feel very unhappy because everyone
has a thing.
Only us, you know.
And the
actually
best
only
part
us.
is none of the people around him supported him.
Yes.
They all were just quiet and he is the only. You know he's wrong.
Yeah, whatever we were saying, actually they were translating to him also.
Yeah.
Because they know they fucked up. That person who in charge was fucked up.
Okay, you see, people
Hey,
are
don't
still.
feel sorry.
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
I said.
We are just okay, fine.
You know what I said in the end of the day after much fight? I said you know what? You didn't even say sorry. If you could have said sorry, we would have understand. I don't say sorry. What is it? I don't say sorry. I don't say sorry. I'm like, well, good, fuck you. So yeah, honestly, I think it's just your luck lah. I even jinxing it for the past few days. All the vlog I've watched, they have been scammed in a different way. They have been bribed in a different way. There have been something that happens in their trip. But I was telling Muru, you know, like we've been taking trains. We have been taking buses. We have been staying in hotels and taking Grab. No one has ever done anything fishy yet until today. This is our first scam.
And Vinny's favorite spot for it.
Oh yeah, you know what I was telling Muru? I was like, we've already visited Ho Chi Minh, Dalat, Oyan, 3 places lah. I said throughout the entire 3 places, this is my favorite because I just like lights and you know. But yeah, even this one we nearly didn't made it today. But we was like, you know what, just go and do it. Yeah, so I will put in, I think whatever that I've edited in the video so far is the clips of what, how to say, gradually started happening, the shit started happening. So it's like the other boat people are saying things like, why is yours not on your head? I mean the shelter. Even they know what's going on. So anyways, we're gonna order something. Actually, we are not even hungry to start with. Huh? You wanna eat something? Okay. Yeah, eat lah. Actually, for me, I'm overdosed with coffee. We did this coffee thing earlier, right? So, but we have to find a place to sit down. Yeah. Anyways, peace out. I'll show you when the food is here. Kapun kabi style.
After stress.
After this is stress eating.
She's stress eating now.
This is Muru. Actually, we are not planning to eat.
Oh sure, I don't want to eat.
This is Muru stress eating. Muru was in more fire just now than me. I would have recorded lah. Whatever. This is for our core memories. But what you need to see is this banh mi. This is our second. This is not our second banh mi. This is Muru's second banh mi.
Good. R&R.
Oh yeah. So this is Muru's third banh mi. Mine is I stopped with the first.
The first was disaster for me.
It was disaster for me because you don't eat pork.
No, it's not I don't eat pork. I do eat, but it was too
Porky.
porky.
Yeah.
Like a lot of
Everything is
kind
pork.
of
Yeah.
pork. The second was so good because it was just
I think I
banh mi.
show you the picture. It's one of the places that we stop in R&R. When I eat omelette, you eat these eggs with the banh mi. Actually, it wasn't bun. Actually, you just have like this weird bread
No,
and
they say banh mi. Banh mi with egg. And that was so good lah. So that one made me to, okay. Actually, banh mi is not that bad. You know? So
now this is chicken, ginger tea and okay, I can't pronounce this. Chamomile tea. No, I don't. Please. I really cannot. No. If you want, I take a bite. I take a bite. I don't want. Well. We just done, and it's very nice weather. Okay, let's go. Can we go in this alley? No, it's someone's house. Actually, Oyan is so beautiful again because every nook and crooks you can find anything you want. Like you can be walking in this thing, right? And then you can just go to the end of it and you can see some weird ass nice cafe there, you know, but it might be empty. So yeah. Alright, we took a huge turn from there to there and then we came across this roadside stall. Now I am a little bit hungry, so I was craving for pho. So we came to this roadside looking stall thing, but beside this river lah. But this is not the nicer bridge. The nicer bridge is over there. We somehow have to cross this bridge and walk all the way there to go to our hotel back. But we still didn't buy anything today It's not because of the boat ride actually, because
The rain.
the rain and the place that we stopped for the rain, we took. Actually, I think
It ruined our plan.
yeah, but it's good also lah. That if I would be buying a lot of shit. Anyways, let me show the food later and then I'll see. The food has arrived. Pho and this side dish that they give. Bon appetit!